So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are solving a question number 2485. Find the pivot integer. So first of all, this is a problem statement. Given a positive integer n, find the pivot integer x such that this is a condition. So if such an integer exists, return x, otherwise return -1. So let's see the example. This is the example. Example 1, n is equal to 8. So x is equal to 6 is a pivot integer. So you can see this is a sum of first 5 and this is a sum of 7 plus 8. So output is 6. So this is an example 2. N is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is a pivot integer. So output is 1. This is a example 3. N is equal to 4. So no pivot integer exit. So you can see this is a condition 1 not equal to 3 plus 4. So output is -1. So you can say this is a pivot integer. The sum of all numbers of less than x is equal to the sum of all number greater than x. So you can read this key observation. In this code, complexity, time complexity is 0 of root n. We integer x from 1 to root n to check the condition using the formula. And in this code, space complexity is O of 1. So let's start a code in LeetCode. So let's start to find the pivot integer question code in LeetCode. So first of all, this question is given int pivot integer and one variable int. So first of all, I define one variable total sum. So int total sum is equal to n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. Then after I write int x is equal to sqrt in bracket total sum. Then after I am using the if condition, if x multiply x equal total sum and return x, and last one is return -1. This code is a find the pivot integer code. So let's run this code. So you can see all three cases are correct. So let's submit this code. I am this code submitted also, so you can check my submission. So this is my submission. This is 100% working, and this is my code. Thank you guys.